someone right, this is right. So
I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. It's time to shine.
hey, so I want to just do a little haul, like a grocery haul. So I went to Giant today, and I want to show you guys a few things that I got. So I'll show you like what I'm most excited about. I got this pineapple chunks. It's from Del Monte. I was on Instagram and I saw a reel of this girl. She's vegan and she did like this pineapple whip. So what she did is she took these pineapples, took the juice out, put that in a separate container, froze the pineapples, and then after that she put the pineapples, which was frozen, in the blender with dairy-free milk, and then she added the pineapple juice, and it became like this beautiful pineapple whip. So I'm excited to try that. Also, I got some coconut water. I got two. Ooh. I've never had coconut water before. I've tried it like a sip, didn't like it, but I'm gonna use this in a smoothie. If you guys know Sophiology here on YouTube, then you would know like she does all her like smoothies and juices and things like that. So I'm gonna be trying that today. I don't know which one I'm gonna do, but I got that. Annie's. I've been looking. Let me open this real quick just so we clear. I don't know, but we're gonna see. But I got these Rice Krispie treats, and I swear when I was little they had these Rice Krispie treats from Annie's, but it was a clear container and a clear packaging. This is how they look. So it looked just like Rice Krispies. Look just like the, Rice Krispie treats. This one is organic and gluten-free. I only got it because I've been looking for this everywhere, and I really hope this is the one that I used to get in my childhood, because I can just, feed my nostalgic vibe. That would be amazing. I got me some spinach wrap because I do this while I take my grilled chicken. I used to do bacon, but for the month of March, I'm cutting out red meat. I didn't see any vegan bacon at the grocery store, so just no bacon. And then I'm going to take some cheese. And so it's going to be cheese and chicken. I usually do lettuce. I didn't think to buy lettuce, but yeah. So it's just going to be that, a little wrap. I got this cookie dough, but I am going to bake it. I want me and my nephew to make it. And it's the, Pillsbury cookie dough Oreo. So I'm excited to try this with him. This is the grilled chicken that I get. It's Purdue, and I get the carved chicken breast, the grilled Italian style. Of course, if I was getting cookie dough, I had to get cinnamon rolls. Now, remember I told you guys in the last vlog that I got a waffle maker. I've been playing around with that. I enjoy it, so I got the smaller cinnamon rolls so I can make cinnamon roll waffles. I got Stubbs barbecue sauce. Stubbs have been out of their barbecue sauce. Like, all the stores used to just not have it because everybody was buying it. No one saved any for me. So I finally got this one, and this one is the smoky brown sugar. I've tried a few of his out, so I'm not even sure if I tried it before, but I like sweet barbecue sauce, so it's probably no biggie. This is the juice that I've been getting for a few months now. This is the Langer's Mango. I love this. I think I tried the pineapple guava. It's something. It's three fruits. It's pineapple, guava, something. And that one's really good as well. Had to get some ice cream. So I got, this is new from Ben & Jerry's. Oh, that opened. Oh my god, that's weird. I need to hurry up and put this in the freezer. This is Ben & Jerry's Top Whiskey Bliss. I'm excited to try this. It's a brown butter bourbon ice cream with blonde brownies. Blah, blah. That's a lot of B's. Okay. It's a brown butter bourbon ice cream with blonde brownies and whiskey caramel swirls topped with white chocolate ganache and white fudge chunks. That sounds amazing. So I'm excited to try that. So I got frozen strawberries, 2 of the frozen pineapples, frozen mangoes, the big bag of the blueberries. So I'm going to be trying a lot of Sophiology's juices and see what goes on. But I'm also probably going to do some of my own, like strawberries, blueberries, and maybe like a mango. So we'll see what happens. But I know I'm not going to do a pineapple smoothie today because I'm going to try that pineapple whip today. So, yeah. I'm excited, and yeah, that's everything that I got from the grocery store. As you can see, we done switched up the hair. We done beat the face because I just filmed a makeup therapy video. I'll have it in the card somewhere so you guys can check it out. I really just took my time and talked to you guys about what's been on my mind. And honestly, I've never did a video like this before. I've watched a few. Sorry, the light just kind of like got dark. It felt really good. It felt therapeutic, you know. I really enjoyed it. It's been a while since I've sat down, filmed me doing my makeup, and it's also been a while since I've really done my makeup. Really, I said really too many times, but I sat down and just focused and took my time. A lot of times, the last time I did my makeup was in the last vlog when I was doing I was going to a YouTube seminar, and I wasn't sure if they was going to see my face or not, so I was just trying to put on something just in case they did see me. And I didn't like my makeup, I didn't like my lashes, and I was telling you guys, like, it just, someone right, this is right. So hey party people, so I want to give y'all an update on the pineapple whip. Ignore the background, ignore the background. So well, I've been drinking it, so it was all like fluffy and frothy, but it's really good. It's a little bit more like liquidy now, but it's great. I highly recommend you guys try it. It's pretty much a smoothie, to keep it real with you, but hey, the girl called it a pineapple whip. I got her recipe, so I'm gonna call it a pineapple whip out of respect for her. But yeah, guys, this is bomb. I love it. I'm so glad I got 2 cups full. I always make my smoothies and put it in a red cup. Bomb. 10 out of 10. I would recommend. So yeah, this is really good. At first, I was nervous about the oat milk mixing with the pineapple juice, because when it comes, let me take my glasses off because I feel like they're kind of like eh. But yeah, when it comes to making smoothies, I'll either just use milk for my liquid or juice. So having a juice and milk together, I was like, I don't know how this is gonna work, but it came out really good. So clearly it's party time with my neighbors, so if y'all hear them, I'm sorry. Also, we have an ice cream truck outside. It is ratchet hour, but I came on here because I want to talk to y'all about something that really irritated me today. So I have braces, as you guys know, and usually I go to the orthodontist once a month, and it's either on a Monday or a Wednesday. It's been like that for some time. However, that doesn't mean if they schedule me for a different day that's not Monday and Wednesday, I won't go. So the one that I go to, they have 2 locations. So the one that's closer to my house, they're open Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. So tell me why, since we're in March, last month, February, I scheduled an appointment and they made it for Saturday. So I'm like, oh, okay, I didn't even know they was open on Saturdays because I usually go Monday and Wednesday. So I was expecting my appointment to be at, one of those days. So it was fine though. So I made my, I got up, got ready to go today. And they closed at 2. So I was like, well, I hope it's not going to be crowded because, we're still in a pandemic and everything. I get there. As soon as I walk in, the lady's like, oh. I'm like, hello. And she's like, she said my name. I'm like, yeah. And she was like, oh, we're closed. Outside, the sign says that they close at 2. My appointment was at 1:15, not 1:45. You get what I'm saying? So I'm like, I said, you sure? Because I have an appointment today at 1:15. And she was like, nope, it was Wednesday. What do you mean it was Wednesday? I'm like, what? She's like, yeah, your appointment was Wednesday. Last week. For the record, you guys, I've never missed an appointment. If something came up and I needed to reschedule, I would do that. So there's no way that was my appointment. So I said, are you sure? She's like, yeah, like, you usually come on Wednesdays. We don't have you for Saturdays. Now, I don't know, because of the pandemic, do they have certain clients come on that day? Like, they have their Monday clients, they have their Wednesday clients, and they have their Saturday clients. I don't know if that's how it rolls. They literally always have the book open. They check you in, things like that. Oh, okay, you're done. Okay, we'll reschedule you. Is it 15th of November fine? Like, that's how they would always do it. The lady has the book open. And honestly, I don't know why I didn't just say, well, can y'all check just to make sure? But I'm saying, like, are you sure? And you have the book right there, and it's someone else sitting there. So I'm like, you want to check? And then she's, without even looking at it, she's like, nope, nope, it was Wednesday. And I'm like, y'all not even checking the book to see if that's my appointment time. And they're just like, no, it's Wednesday. I'm like, where's your proof? Like, I'm getting irritated because I'm like, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean it was Wednesday? It was Saturday today. So that just irritated me. I've never had any problems with them, like, ever since I got my braces, what, about almost 2 years ago. Everything was always smooth and fine. This is the first time, but you know what some people say, there's a first time for everything, and it made me look at them different, because how are you going to tell someone, oh no, you weren't scheduled for today? Unless you just know off the top of your head, and it's like, I get it, like, I do always come on like a Wednesday or a Monday, but okay, I'm here Saturday, like, what's up? What's up? Like, you scheduled me for Saturday. I guess Wednesday was full, bitch. Like, I don't know. Like, that just, it really irritated me. And I don't care if it was I Ubered there or someone took me or I had a car. Like, whatever the case is, like, it's annoying. It doesn't really bring down how it is. Like, guys, that really pissed me off. When I tell you that pissed me off, I gotta woosah, you guys. Guys, I've been out, like, all day, but I decided it would be cute to do like a little haul. Guess where I went? Heaven on earth, Sephora. And I didn't really get a lot of stuff. It's funny because the bag, you would think I got more than what I did. I only got 2 items, but I had to re-up on my sunscreen. Super Goop, I was pretty much running out, so I wanted to just have it ready for when I run out. The packaging has changed, but same old good ingredients. And I told you guys in my Silk and Smooth body care routine that I was gonna get this item. Comment down below before I show you what you think it is. Okay, you ready? I got the bath salts from Fenty Beauty. Bam! This is how it looks right here. I'm excited to use it. If you want to know what shade I got Salty Caramel. I wasn't sure. Thumbnail. I wasn't sure which one I was going to get. But just doing some comparison. It was between this and the shade right above it. I think it was like Agave or Honey. It was something like that. So I end up getting this one. And I'm excited because I can use this in the future. Because I plan on doing a vacation soon. Sooner than you think. So I'm really excited about that. I'll give you guys more details on it. Ooh, I need to powder my face. Do you see all this oil? Yeah. I had a mask on pretty much all day today. So, yeah, this part looks good. I feel like all the makeup down here is pretty much gone. But I'm going to take my makeup off. I'm starving. I ordered me some Chick-fil-A because I haven't eaten anything at all today. So that's not true. I had waffles, but that was like 10 in the morning, and now it's 5 o'clock. So I have my little Chick-fil-A app, and my order is being prepared. I'll be happy when they say your order has arrived. So let me just say, I've been talking for like 4 minutes straight, thinking I was recording, and I wasn't. But hey guys, um, I'm tired. That Chick-fil-A had me full. I'm full. I'm just sitting here watching Tyler Perry's The Oval. It's a good show. It's alright. Got a little drama if you're into that. Ooh, I think it's time for a nap. I had a long day today. I had a wax appointment. I was in there for a long time, almost 2 hours, because she was backed up with clients. So it was a lot going on with that. And then I went to a job fair. I really enjoyed that, and you guys saw the little items that I got from Sephora. Well, I didn't show you my sunscreen. Yes, I did. Yeah, but you guys saw the items that I got from Sephora. Let me know. Do you want to see a detailed video on the body sauce, or do you want me to just demonstrate me using it in a vlog? Let me know. But I think that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. I'm Leechelle. Make sure you share, like, subscribe, all of that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.